kill the thing because they scare me to death. And they shouldn't. I know I heard it. Where is it? Ooh, I see it. I see it. I see it. Please, if y'all accidentally see my mess, don't look at my mess. But there it comes. There it is. Yeah, that creepy little thing was on me. So now how do I catch it and get it out of the house? They're everywhere outside. Okay. I'll try to catch it. What am I going to catch it with? Let's see if it talks. Y'all are seeing it. That's what we have right now. Everywhere. And like I said, that thing was on me. Let's see. I can get it. Okay. Alright, let's take it outside and release. So that right there is a cicada, if you want to call them. We call them locusts. Whatever. I don't care what the proper name is. All I want to do is get it out of here and smack the next one that tries to get on my head. Okay. Now that that's done. Oh, it's still in there. It didn't come out. Damn it. Oh. Now that that's done. Oh, let's get back in the house. And be ready to go back out here in a little bit.